What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. I want to see if this engine cleaner and conditioner works on this old Audi A4. All right, so out here with my 2006 Audi A4. It's a B7 model. It's a 2.0-liter turbo. And what you can hear there is a little bit of knocking. It's pretty consistent though. And I'm not sure if it's lifter noise or something else, or, but one of the things that I thought I might do here is just run some cleaner and conditioner through it. And one of the big reasons that I'm deciding to run this through it as opposed to something like Lucas oil stabilizer is that the Lucas stuff is really thick. And that actually will work if it's lifter noise, because it's just thick enough that it kind of dampens that ticking sound and the tapping of the lifters. Now, I'm not sure that that's what it is, and like I said, it's not giving me any problems, but I thought just because of the higher mileage, almost 85,000 miles on my car, I thought I'd use this by Rislone. It's high mileage formula. It actually comes in a regular formula too, but since I have a high mileage car, I might as well try this. But this cleans, restores, and protects. And it also has the potential of quieting some lifters, especially if you have the hydraulic lifters with the small openings on them. What this will help do is not thicken it up, which can actually make that lifter problem worse. But what it'll do is hopefully clean out any of the deposits that's impeding any of the flow of the oil and make it flow better so that you're getting oil in some of those places where you're getting oil starvation, and hopefully quiet down some of the noise. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the crankcase, and then I'm going to let it run here for a few minutes, and we'll just see if it sounds any different than it does right now. I'll just go ahead and add it in there. If you have not checked the oil level on your car, you want to do that first, just to make sure that you are not overfilling the crankcase. Now, I just checked mine, and I am about a quart low, so this is going to be just about perfect. But this will treat up to like 4 quarts, the whole bottle. And if you use a higher capacity engine, you want to just look at the back on the table on the bottle and use the appropriate amount. So cool, let's fire up. Well, I went ahead and poured in all the cleaner. I can't tell you if it's quieter or not. I've just let it run here, and I think really the key is that you want to drive it around and get that cleaner to move throughout the engine, and that's just going to help over time. But this is the after, and so if you want to measure it based on that, you certainly can. But if you do want to pick up this cleaner by Rislone, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.